Hello, welcome to Me Hunter. This week I'll be opening up 1 Footy Stars 2022, 3 Lost Origin, the new set, 1 AFL Team Coach 2022, a Sinnoh Stars Mini-Tin, we have 1 Battle Styles, an Astro Radiance, and we have a Donruss Basketball. Please like, subscribe and hit the notifications button so you know whenever one of my videos is uploaded. Also, please share my videos around because it will help the channel. I'm going to start off with a Astro Radiance. We'll just move some cards over there so we have more space. Psychic Energy, Gardenia's Vigor, I don't know how to pronounce that, but that might be how you do it. Whiscash, Sweet Honey, Combi, Fitting, B with Honey, Chatot, Psyduck, Drifloon, Sudowoodo, Dewott, and a Lucario V. So I think we have some first pack magic there. So we'll put that Lucario V up there. So that is very nice. Now I think we're going to go into a Footy Stars 2022. There is one card I'm looking for from the standard set. So hopefully we can pull that. Jamie Stanton, Nathan Wilson, Taron Thomas, Isaac Quaynor, Jack Martin, Kate Lukens, Aaron Norton, a Hisai Pickett 30 years, and a burst paint of Cameron McIntosh. So I'll put those up there and I'll put these to the side. So I'm just going to go and open up the Sinnoh Stars. So I'm just going to get that opened. So I've just got the wrapping off. So let's just see what's inside. So we have a Jumbo Pikachu coin. We'll put that with the Jumbo Charizard coin up there. We have the art card, and we've got Rilo. That's 5 that you can collect, so I'll just put that over there. Well, and we got a Fusion Strike and a Chilling Rain. So I'm just going to put this back in here and put that to the side. I think I'm going to go into a Lost Origin. Lost Origin is the newest set, I'm pretty sure you might know that. But I have opened a few packs off the channel, and we got 1 holo, I think, and we got a V. But the V was Hisui and Gudra. But that's not my favourite V because Gudra just looks so sad. We have a Hariyama, Nuzleaf. I will go a little slower because these are new artworks. Ghastly, Pinnacle, Murkrow, Wurmple, Clefairy, Volo, and a Spiritomb for our regular F. So I think we'll go into a Chilling Rain. We do have the Alt Art Moltres, Glaring Moltres from the set, but the card I would like from the set is actually the Alt Art Glaring Articuno. So let's see what we can get. Darkness Energy, Dawaki, Seabold, Curlier, Cubfu, Hatena, Sobble, Bounsley, Furfru, Beedrill, and a Galarian Zapdos V. So we've been doing really well because we've only got one regular rare out of all the packs that we've opened. So I think we'll get into a Donruss Basketball. So there are the cards up the top. So pause the video if you want to read them. So let's see what we can get. We have a Rui Hachimura, Paddy Mills, Thomas Bryant, a Joe Ingles, a Aaron Fox, Tim Hardaway Jr., a rated rookie Toronto Raptors Scotty Barnes, and a green laser of Kyle Lowry. It does say Heat and he's got the Raptors shirt on, but I think that's how it's supposed to be. So I'll just put that one up there because it looks cool. And I think we might go into a battle styles. So we have a Tyranitar pack artwork. Darkness Energy, Single Strike Scroll of Scorn, Heatmore, Honchkrow, Mantis, Galarian Slowpoke, Mankey, Horsey, Honedge, Bellsprout, and a Conkeldurr from regular rare. So I think we'll go into a Lost Origin, then a AFL team coach, then we'll go into a Fusion Strike, and we'll finish on a Lost Origin. So we're going into the Giratina artwork of Lost Origin. Darkness Energy again, Haunter, Poliwhirl, Lumineon, Tino, Seedot, Horsey, Meditite, Shellos, Nuzleaf, and a Aridos for our regular rare. So we haven't got anything out of Lost Origin right now. Maybe we will in our last pack, but let's get into the AFL team coach. I'm pretty sure that was the order, but so let's see if we can get a rare card. I'll just say that. We have Stefan Cogniglio, Hayden Young, Madison Prespakis, Tim Membre, Mitch Duncan, Isaac Smith, Nick Hind, and a gold Best and Fairest of Gold Coast Suns. So that is, I think, every one in the box. I think it's every 30 packs or 50 packs. I'll be surprised if it was 50 packs, but we've got so many of them. We have a Fusion Strike next. We have a Leaf Energy, Metapod, Luxio, Schoolgirl, Bunnelby, Julba, Shelmet, Shinx, Eevee, Victini, and a Absol. So now we're on our last pack. We have a Lost Origins. Hopefully we can get something in this. But let's get into our last pack. Fire Energy, Fatina. I just like how it has like the blue, pink, purple things around it. Abomasnow, Lost Sea, Litwick, Rhyhorn, Apom, Roselia, Goomy, Electric, and we have a Landorus for our regular rare. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope you stay for the recap. So this is the recap. For starters, we have a Kyle Lowry Green Laser for Heat. Then we have a Paint Burst of Camden McIntosh. And then we have a Hisai Pickett 30 Years of Footy, I think it is. Then we have a Gold Coast Suns Best and Fairest Gold. It is 1 out of every 50 packs. We have a Lucario V from Astral Radiance and a Galarian Zapdos V from Chilling Reign. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope you watch my others.